Good morning. Coming at you from Moreno Valley, California.
Moreno.
That's what I said, Moreno.
There's another city called Moreno.
I said Moreno Valley, California.
A show.
So I got it right. It's Moreno. That's what I said. Or I can say it Paisa Moreno.
Much more.
Anyways, we're out here trying to, I guess, build support for the hood latch.
On a budget.
On a budget. Got my homie over here. He just installed the radiator tuck. It's a big fat motherfucker. And this intercooler is also a big fat motherfucker. So I'm sure anybody that's ever installed a radiator tuck, you gotta cut out the center support. So now we're just trying to reinforce it because when he closes it, it bounces like a hoochie. So we're trying to reinforce it to keep it from bouncing. So, fucking what the fuck? We got a couple of these. We forgot the couple of grape sodas though. What we're gonna do here, he's making the support from here to there.
Temporarily till we get a welder.
Right. Oh, that's right, huh?
Yeah.
So, temporarily, till a welder happens to fall in our laps. So, the one he's building is for the center here to that right there. Bolt it on. And this one here, we're going to basically bolt it to this hole, and we're gonna be bending the tip of this and maybe drill a hole right in here and bolt it onto that. That way it has support here and here.
But if we can get one and done, it'll be just.
I mean, if we can get that center, it'd be. I'm sure it'll be okay. If we do this one, it'd be even better. To keep it from To keep it from bouncing like a hoochie?
Or a stripper getting while the bang.
The strippers? No, I like the hoochie one better.
So do I.
Yeah.
Not all strippers are hoochie.
Not all strippers are hoochies?
Disclaimer.
Okay. I wouldn't know.
I would.
Alright. Where's it? Oh, okay. He's drilling out the hole. Alright. Alright.
It is what it is for those. And then
What are you gonna do?
I gotta get it.
Looks good.
Oh, these are 10 mils. Even gooder.
Yeah, it would have been nice if you had an angle grinder.
I have one.
Fuck, man. Oh, the cutter.
Wheel.
The cutter wheel. What do you need? Again? Oh, to be able to bolt it down?
Yeah. Fine. Right.
No agarró muy bien.
Now there's the fucking hinges on the right.
Keep slipping? Oh, you need a socket maybe? Oh no. Oh, that should be enough.
Socket 10? Socket 2?
Fuck, that shit feels stiff already, man.
I know. I think we're just gonna be one and done. I really
Yeah.
want- Why do we want?
How does it feel?
Uh,
Feels better, I think.
yeah, definitely.
Think of another center support.
Take it for a test drive, let's see.
Yeah, go get some grape sodas. Oh, it's stuck.
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck are you doing? Oh, fuck, man. This is some bullshit.
Oh, no.
Dude, I did the same thing with my fucking motor mount, man. I was trying to tighten up because I didn't want to. I refused to go buy a 19 llave.
Oh, you were gonna go buy one, you never did?
No, I didn't go buy one. I said, fuck that. I'm gonna try to figure it out. I did, but it was just kind of weird.
There's no leverage for me. That's why I can't get it out.
Yeah.
Harbor Freight strikes again.
Oh, that's right. It's a Harbor Freight. Nah, fucking leave it.
Support, bro.
It's a no-go. Because it's not even the right size, huh?
No, it is. It is the right size.
Where's the fucking the ratchet?
Floor.
Oh, it hit the floor.
But now, almost fucked up my oil cooler, man. You were talking about here. Or right here. And then you want to drill here.
Drill there, but bend that tip.
This right here, right underneath.
So you can hold on to it right there.
Okay. Right under it.
It should be okay right under it. We're also going to need to bend the little flap that's on here. Just a little bit.
Probably not.
You don't think so?
No.
Oh, let's hope so.
Okay.
Is that working? How's that? Looks better, huh?
Yeah, so you are right. You should bend it just that little section.
Just a little section. That's all it is. Or at least cut a little section where you can just bend that little section. Either or.
Sheet metal.
It should be more than enough, no?
Yeah, just gotta make sure so I can have a flat surface to drill.
Hopefully it doesn't get in the way of the fucking oil cooler.
Put the nut this way.
Either or. Oh, look at that shit.
Alright, and then... How's it go?
Just
Perfect.
like that. Perfect.
Alright, I need a marker or something to mark.
So I can drill the hole.
Yeah.
Coming together. Oh, you're doing a step drill, okay.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Well, see if you can. Never mind. Lack of space.
Lack of space. Well, drilling the normal way is gonna have to be it, I guess.
Drill a hole. Well, if you can. Fuck, I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even think we need.
Damn, washers?
Yeah.
No.
Not for this side.
No, just save it for another occasion.
Oh.
For another.
Oh.
Another fabrication.
The fabrication we do?
Yes, sure. Oh, it looks titties. Yeah, I don't know. I went with it. Oh man, son of a bitch, that's hard. God damn it. Oh, you got the nylon ones. Oh, that's what you went with the nylon nuts, huh?
That's why I wanted them.
Yeah.
Saw it?
Yeah. All right. I get it. That way they don't
so
back.
funny, Still the same, but
Still the same?
I think it's stiffer.
It's a little stiffer, yeah. Fuck. I mean, it's not gonna beat this shit being welded all the way to the bottom of it. If you only can weld like go in between the intercooler,
Straight sheet metal.
straight sheet metal, something and weld it to this fucking thing, dude. Somehow, something in the middle. or build a fucking frame from one end to all the way across to the other.
No, I was gonna do the truck once that goes diagonal and then back to the main support.
Oh, okay.
Here, and go and then weld actually like underneath.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
And or drill and use some metals that have the threaded already in them and weld those.
I should ask for a welder for Christmas.
That's just crazy.
What do you mean? $250 at Harbor Freight?
No, it's not worth it. You want a gas one? Now that I was looking at it after.
Well, they're not. I think you can add gas to them. The Harbor Freight, if you get the good one, but you want to get the 220 volt.
Yeah, they do have that.
Well, I probably need to end this video. There you have it. It works a little bit, but it does need to be, like you said, welded to something different. Yeah. All right. So everything came out good. You just gotta lower you want to lower the latch. Oh, so you can bring the hood down lower.
Yeah.
But all in all, it's all good. Oh, fuck yeah.